Hello everyone, my name is Zakia. Right now we are in the Rich Piece factory. Today I want to introduce you about our mask line production. And first I want to show you about folding mask, what is the advantage. And first, folding mask is more thickness. They are using like 5 or 6 different materials. So it's a very more long time, using more long time to change. And the second, and this one you see here has breathing is bigger area, special for the foreigner. You have tall bigger than ASEAN people, so you can wear here is more comfortable and more long time. And last, I want to show you folding mask. Normally they are putting in the one plastic bag, so you can very easy to put in your pocket and the bag. So today I want to show you how to produce this mask by the automatic production line. Okay, now here you see this is a material shelf. Here you can put 6 different material. You can put normal fabric and hot melt fabric. Here is 2 different layers. Also, we can make 1 layer is different. So here we are using for the fabric as standard. And after here, this is nose bridge device. Nose bridge going to here and cutting. After this one puts inside the fabric. And here is embossing, welding. You can see here is standard roller without any logo. After you can tell us what kind of logo you can make it. You can put N95, you can take N95, so we can put here, and after they can welding different logo. And here, this device is my favorite, like because it's very easy. Here is printing automatic. If you have different idea, you can change the just a picture. You can put in on our computer. Then your company name, brand, and these models, you can put anything change. Even you can just any different tab lighter, so put here and after print out. And here, this is airlock welding. You can see it's working very fast. After going this part is for the folding. Here is going to folding the first time. And here also have ultrasonic for fix. And then going here, this is cutting device. Here we have special for the air blowing to make the airlock going up and not cutting here. And up here you can put out. Here you can see this is our control system. And it's working very easy. Just 1 lever is enough. You just put here, they're going to start work. Totally, it's very easy. So today this is a floating mask. Maybe in future I will introduce you another mask production line. Okay everyone, if you are interested in more, please follow in this link. And you can see more Rich Piece production. Okay, bye bye.